Welcome guys, so today I'm with Vivo Y76 5G and I want to show you a few camera tips. So the first one will be probably the most useful. It's the high resolution mode. So normally when you take a photo it will looks like that. Let's go for the preview. We can find not bad looking photo, some details, for example, all right here on this table. But just take a look how great it works and how great it looks on this 50 megapixel mode that you can find in the more options. Select right here and let's take the same photo. Okay, one more time. So take a look, for example, on this cell phone keyboard. Definitely more details right here and also right here. You can just spot each line that is on the table. There is something that you cannot spot on this previous photo with the normal mode. For example, right here. So to sum up, to get more details, definitely use this one. It's really great, great option. Okay, another cool feature that it's hidden right here. You can take photo by tapping on the shutter. That's very obvious, but you can also use volume buttons, volume up and down. Take a look. You can also click and hold and take the burst shot. The same when you click and hold the shutter. Okay, and if you wonder how to use the zoom feature, so for sure you can make it like that by pinching screen with your two fingers, but there's easier method. So basically you have to just click on the selected zoom preset, click and hold, and after that you will be able to use the slider. It works definitely smoother than pinching screen with the two fingers, and we can also keep our phone more steady. So worth to use it. When you click in this place, you are able to quickly change the color and the temperature on your photos. You can spot here a few details, few filters, and the strength we can adjust with this slider. When you go for the video mode, you can also add these filters when you tap right here, but also we can improve the stabilization by tapping on this button. So we can go for the standard or ultra. As you can see, even on the preview, it looks definitely better. And when we completely turn it off, as you can see, that's how it looks. We can also go for the settings because we can find there a few useful options. So in the settings, we can go for the shutter where we can take photos by touching the screen or using voice command. So let's enable both options. And take a look. Right now we can say cheese. Cheese. As you can see, the photo is taken, and you can just tap on the screen like that to take photo. Okay, so I think that's all for the Vivo Y76 5G. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.